Shopping? No! Want to know the surprise? Come, let's go inside. I want to show you something. Don't be scared. King of the jungle. That's a nice crown. I'm feeling the fur. It's so soft. Ooh, that sounds so noisy. What's over there? It's a kid's workshop. I'm waiting in line for my turn. I'm signing my name. Here I go. Prathika Manikandon. I'm getting my apron. Wow. It's my favorite color. I got my set. Yeah, it's a mini hockey game. Let's open it. One bottom and a sticker pad, and there is a puck and a lot of things. Now let's do it. Here are the two sides. Split it up and put the bottom on top of it. Do you see the tiny holes? Those are where you have to put your nails and hammer it. Watch me. Now put the nails just in those tiny holes and just get hammer and hammer it. Well, don't hurt your fingers, guys. And just ask your parents to help. Okay, now you have to glue over there. That which I'm gonna do right now. Just a little bit on top. Now you have to put the sides on there. So that is the stand. I'll pat it. That's good. And then hammer it. Of course. Hammering. Now we're gonna do it in the other side. Okay, when you're all done, now it's time for the paddling. First, you will need the base and the handle and fix it like this. Here's the sticker and put it on, and you can just start the game right now. But I'm gonna paint. Let me go get my colors. The ones I want is orange, and asked for blue, black, and red. And I got a brush. Let's go paint. Okay, I'm ready, guys. Okay, I'm gonna start with red. Now the ends are gonna be blue. paddles are gonna be orange. Now the two paddles are ready. I'm gonna color the puck with black. Now let me do the other side. I'm doing the back sides. Cool. Finally, it's the backside time and it's orange. Done. Let it dry. Look at my hands, they're full of paint. I'm gonna flip it over. Now let's put the sticker. Put it slowly, and it has to be so good that you can play with it. Now let's play the game. Okay. Now I'm playing by myself. Now I got it. Oh yeah. Now my uncle is playing with me. I know my uncle's gonna shoot it. Look, watch. Oh, my uncle got it this time. Well, now let's see if I get it. Yes, I got it. Look it, guys. I placed my medal on me. Hope you guys enjoyed my video today. See you in the next video. Bye.